Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Grimace Shake, but in an action pose this time, okay? Very simple, very easy. Let's hop into this, okay? So first thing I'm going to do over here is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a... Start with Grimace's head. Like so. I'm going to pull down a bit over here for his body. It's gonna scrunch just a bit. Scrunch, right? It's gonna bend, right? He's like basically like a big pillow. Curve out over here, underneath. Alrighty. Gonna go out. Right on. So you have Grimace's body right there. We're going to actually go into his face first because I really want to get that out of the way, honestly. So over here we're going to go circle right there for one eye. Circle for the other eye. He's got a line right here which shows like his eyelid is half closed, half closed. Dot over here, dot over here. Curve line over here, around. Curve line over here, around. Fill it in. Fill it in. Line right here. Line right here. Cool, cool, cool. And I'm gonna curve under here for his mouth, right? His open mouth. And line right here. Okay, so now you have his tongue. We're gonna fill in the back of his mouth over here. It's gonna show the difference here. Alrighty. And curve line underneath. Cool, cool, cool. Gonna go over here to the arm. Line over here. And line over here for his arm. He's leaning inward. Got that action pose. Okay. Thumb. Alrighty. And then over here he's got his dopey fingers. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button. Don't forget to share the video as well if you're a Grimace fan or a fan of this kind of thing. It's fun, it's exciting, it's just like a really good time, honestly. It helps the algorithm out. I think it's, kind of like great. If you're watching it and you share it, it's awesome. Line underneath there for the rest of his body. And now we're going to have his leg come out over here. Leg over here. Curve right here for his foot. Back over here, out, down. Line underneath. So he's got that kind of like he's leaning, angled back on his body over there, and over here he's got his foot out over here on this side. Okay, cool. We're gonna throw his hand over here, his other hand, and over here in this hand he is gonna have, that's his thumb. Draw a line down over here, and he is gonna have that shake in his hands. He's gonna be like, wow. Line over here, and another triangular line over there for the top of the cup. Line up, cross, down, curve underneath. Right on. Gonna go over here. And what I'm gonna do with him now is I'm gonna draw a thicker line around the outside border of his body to make it kind of more unified. So right there, start with that line. curve across, downward. Continue. Again, just the outside border. Imagine if he was like a sticker, right? Curve over here. Line over here on this side. Down. Around here. Curve. Curve over here. Line. Line over here. Downward. Out. And curve down over here. Curve around. Line over here. Curve. 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 And you have that action pose of Grimace. So let's draw some detail on him, okay? So right here we draw like a couple of lines here underneath the armpit there. Thinner line right here for the folding of his body a little bit, just a little bit, nothing wild, right? You don't want to throw a bunch, but you want to throw thin lines, maybe like right here as well. It's got the shake. Gonna draw maybe another thin line over here. These lines, these thin lines right here. These thin lines create a little bit of like dynamic, right? They create a little bit of, you see a little bit of the form, right, of what's going on, and it creates this detail that is one of those things that's like, you have primary detail, which is the main thick line, right, and then you have secondary detail, maybe something like this, or tertiary detail, I guess you could say, down here. I want to thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please, please, please share the video. There's nothing better than it. Go check out the cool Amazon books that we have, and thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and I will talk to you very soon, okay? I will talk to you later. Wait, one last thing. Don't forget, if you want to learn how to draw cute, check out the link in the description. There's a cute drawing ebook I have there especially for you. It teaches you all the proportions of drawing cute, because as we know, cute and chibi is not just about, you know, making every feature big or round. It is about proportion. So big head, big eyes, small mouth, small nose, and I go over that in visual format. So there's no reading. It's just like a quick 7-page thing that I used to charge for, but it is a gift to you right now in the description. Thank you so much. I will see you later, and I'll talk to you very, 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 very soon. Okay? See ya.